This is Saturn in what we call the Superman pose. As you can see, one tail is out of the basket. The body is tucked in nicely. Oh! Saturn is one of our great sleepers. He will sleep anywhere, in any position. However uncomfortable it looks, oh, don't you worry. Saturn is in dreamland. He loves a good snooze. He's what we call a lazy fat pig. But we love him, don't we? Yeah. Saturn is not the biggest fan of touching, especially on his head. But we will slowly get him used to it. Here we have Ferrari, the German Shepherd. He is relaxing on the sofa, longing for his humping toy on the floor, which I shall hand to him now. Ew, it's all wet. And here we have the great sage, the king of the castle, the king of the house. Look at that. That is the face of a ruler. Yes, all hail King Sage. I love it. That is the face of a ruler. That is the face of someone who takes no shit. Yes. King Sage.